My lady D'Abanville, why does it grieve me so? But your heart seems so silent. Why do you breathe so low? Why do you breathe so low? My lady D'Abanville, why do you sleep so still? I'll wake you tomorrow, and you will be my fill. Yes, you will be my fill. My lady D'Abanville, you look so cold tonight.